I'm getting some gloves.
Why are you getting gloves? We have gloves.
I have to dissect a cat.
Ew, that's gross. Okay, get some gloves.
Hand care.
Cough syrup? Nasal spray? Who the crap is that?
You like my walk?
Who's that man up there? He's so intimidating with his toothbrush. I just want to stare. Oh, we're not in the right. This is Neosporin. Women's underwear.
I don't know what size.
I was gonna get this for you, but I didn't know what size to get.
I don't know what the gloves are.
Ask.
No. Maybe.
Okay, I'll look. You look down that aisle. I'll look down this aisle. Really?
No.
Oh, you're so stupid.
Oh, I know where they are.
Really? Do you? Then why aren't we there? You could get some underwear, like new underwear waistband. New underwear waistband.
I did not bring enough money.
Well, we have enough money to go to McDonald's, right? Because I want a hot fudge sundae. It's only $1. What? Did you say what you hope said? I didn't do it.
Hey, what's your call?
I told you.
Sam.
Katie. We could steal it. I was kidding. Don't tell me to shh. We could ask we get a discount if we take our pants off.
Okay, I'll be right back.
You thinking about it? You're thinking about it. I like your shirt.
This is like a sample of gloves. I just take a couple samples.
There's no samples. Why would there be sample gloves? Sample these gloves for me, please. What are we gonna sample it on? Like a butt exam or something?
My hands.
Well, no, duh. You get a thigh length closed toe.
No.
Like a sock, I think. Who's Kelly Kelly? Why does she have two of the same names? Ew, is that a man or a woman? That was like Svetlana with a ponytail or something. Ew, get some pants. That is so gross. Big purple penis. What a girl loves puzzle book. Is for men? Is that why it's a puzzle book? Ew. There's a guy at the library with like a hat like that. With
Don't dread getting older, Mom.
Oh, that's so funny. That's not how you spell
Hey,
dread.
Mom, taking me down to the... What the fuck? We play a
Oh
chain
my
lesson.
gosh.
I was gonna get you one of these for your birthday, but I didn't know your size.
This is the family section, right next to the kitty. It's so funny. You love that. Size does matter. Why is this always size? Oh my god. This is the family section.
Oh my
No,
god.
it's not. Why are all these dogs? This is like dog week.
Right next to the kitty. This is in the family section. Right next to the butt ugly ass ape. Whoa, his face is
Are
squishy.
you talking English? Oh. I was like, this is in Spanish. I give up.
So this was a failed attempt to get gloves because I didn't have enough money for gloves.
Every year, Stanley would reenact his birth to the horror of anyone present. Here's to the day you were born, huh? Pull my chin, bitch.
I like the kitty one.
I like the dog one. Did you see that dog one?